In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add column in Zoho Invoice. Start by opening Zoho Invoice and signing into your account. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings hub where you can adjust how your items and transaction forms behave. Inside settings, find the section labeled items and select items. This is where your product and service fields live. And it's the place to manage what information is tracked for each item. Next, open the Field Customization tab. Think of this tab as the control panel for the columns associated with your items and how they appear across your transactions and PDFs. Click the plus New Custom Field button. A custom field is essentially a new column that lets you store and display data not included by default. This is perfect for details such as internal references, catalog IDs, or any extra attribute you want on your documents. Configure the field by entering a clear label name. For example, you might use part number. A concise descriptive label helps your team understand exactly what to enter and keeps your documents easy to read. Choose the appropriate data type for the kind of value you plan to store. You can pick from options like text, number, and more. Selecting the correct type not only keeps your data clean, but can also help with consistency and reporting down the line. If the value might include letters and symbols, text is usually the safest choice. If it's purely numeric, number can be ideal. Set Show when creating transactions to Yes. Turning this on ensures the field appears while you are building invoices, estimates, and other transaction forms. So the information can be filled in at the right moment without extra clicks. Set Show in all PDFs to Yes. With this enabled, the field will print on every relevant PDF your organization generates, making the information visible on documents you share externally. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new column is now part of your item setup and, based on the options you selected, will appear during transaction creation and on all PDFs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.